Welcome to West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hopefully, you will find our resources helpful and informative, and stop by often to find answers to your bookkeeping questions. Thank you for taking the time to view the Expense It worksheet video. This video will give you a quick overview of the Expense It template designed for recording expenses and producing the expense report for your accounting department. We will start with the overview and instructions page for the Expense It worksheet. On this page, it gives explanations and tips on the different pages and what they perform within the worksheet, and also the buttons to take you to those pages. The first page we're going to start with is your Setup Taxes page, so we'll select that here. Right now it's set up with the BC taxes, so the GST is 5% and the PST is 7%. You can change those rates according to what your province's rates are. We'll go back to the overview and setup, and the next section that you want to go to is your setup accounts. So we'll select that, and we're going to enter 3 accounts here. So the first one we're going to enter is materials and supplies. And materials and supplies, normally the default is both taxes are included, so we're going to select both taxes here. The next account we're going to set up is insurance. And insurance is tax exempt, so we're going to select tax exempt for that one. And the last one we're going to set up is meals and entertainment, and we're going to set that one as GST included. So that's the basic idea on how you set up your chart of accounts. And once that's complete, then we can go back to the overview and setup screen. From there, we're going to start an expense report. So we'll select Enter Expenses, and we're going to enter our company name at the top, ABC Company, and we're going to enter our employee name. And after that, we're going to enter the date of the expense report. Now here I'll enter a few examples of some expenses, and we're going to use the same amount for each expense so that we can show how the taxes are calculated differently for each one. So the first one we're going to enter is Home Depot, and the total of that receipt is $112. And the account that we're going to select here is materials and supplies. And there it shows the amount of GST that the system is calculated for you. The next one we're going to enter is Westland Insurance for the same amount of $112. And the account that we're going to select is insurance. And here you'll see that the GST has calculated as 0 because it's exempt. The final receipt that we're going to enter is the keg, and again the same amount, $112, and we're going to select meals and entertainment, and this is the GST that's been calculated for that one. Now with that one, the GST is not that amount, so we want to override that amount, so we're going to enter $4.62, and we're going to select that we want to override the GST as yes. So here it's going to use the 462 instead of the GST calculated amount. So then we've finished entering, and we're going to view and print the report. So we select that, and here it shows the summary section for your accounting department. And on the right hand side it shows each receipt and the total amount and the grand total at the bottom. Now I want to enter some notes for the keg, so I'm just going to say lunch with a client, so that there's some notes on there for the accounting department, and we'll go back to view and print report, and there the notes have been added. So at this point we can click to print the report, so we'll go up in the right hand corner and click, and the report should be sent to your printer. Now at this point we're complete, and we'll go back to entering expenses. We'll click there, And you could save the report at this point. And if you want to start a new report, we can put the new date for the same employee. And we will click here to clear out all the entries from the previous report. Everything's cleared out and we can start fresh with a brand new expense report. If you like this worksheet and you'd like to order your copy, please visit westcoastbusiness.ca. Thank you for visiting West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you have any bookkeeping questions that you would like answers for, feel free to leave a question in the comments section and we would be happy to help you out. If you found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Have a great day.